good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to take a look at going to Grainger and getting a 3/8 inch, 16 threads per inch, 3/8 inch lifting ring, and we're going to convert it into 24 threads per inch on a 5/16 inch diameter, and it's going to be a tie-down ring for our aircrafts made out of solid stainless steel. And this is what Bob at Fresh Arrow does with every one. So stay tuned as we have some more fun with this topic. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So again, we're starting with a 3/8 inch diameter bolt, and we're going to convert it to a 5/16, and we're going to do that on a lathe. Now, Bob at Fresh Arrow's got a special jig for holding these. I mean, you can go to Grainger and you can buy this stainless steel lifting ring for about $18.90 something, and then you have to go through all the trouble to bring the diameter down and recut new threads in it. And that's what Bob does, and it takes a while. I don't know how long it takes him, but it all depends on the power of the lathe that he has. Now, here you can look at on bolt threads that you have a major and a minor diameter. The major diameter is where the outside of the threads go to, which would go inside the bolt, and then you have the minor diameter, which are the valleys in the bolts. So when you look at them like that, what we're going to be looking at is, what if we take one set of threads and overlay it on the other with the dimensions for the major and minor diameters laid out, and you can see the first thing you have to do is cut it down to the major diameter of the smaller bolt and then cut all the threads in it. So the major diameter of 3/8 is 3.750. The minor is 2.983. Now the major on the one that we're going to be using in 5/16 is a little bigger. So what we want to do is we want to put it in the lathe and we want to cut it down to the 5/16 major diameter. So this is what you start with. Now the problem is that when you do all of that, there are going to be some valleys, but when you're done, you're going to have a nice tie-down ring. So it's not complicated. It's probably more than you ever wanted to know about a stainless steel tie-down ring. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And we thought we'd share our little MGM lion with you. Perfect. So we hope you enjoyed all of this. Thanks for watching.